Hi, my name is Andrew Singer. I'm with my partner, Jason Klimpl. We're employment law partners at Tannenbaum Helpern. Today, we'd like to talk about an issue that is very important in the remote workplace environment. Specifically, Jason, so often now our employees that are working remotely have all kinds of company property, equipment, devices in their homes and not within the possession and control of the company. What I'd like you to talk about a little bit is, what can an employer do? Can they withhold money from the last paycheck? Are there other options that would be available that would incentivize that employee to return all of that property that sometimes can be very valuable?
Sure. Yeah, unfortunately, this has come up far too often with remote work. You have an employee who, Andrew, is still in possession of an iPhone or a laptop. The employer doesn't want to pay that employee their last paycheck until they return those devices, right? Sadly, perhaps, you can't just deduct from the employee's final paycheck. You can't just withhold wages as a way of securing that property. Certainly, it's unlawful under New York state law. I would venture to guess it's unlawful under most state laws. Also, if you do that, Andrew, you run the risk that under federal law, you're going to bring that employee's wages beneath the minimum wage for that final pay period. So the best practice is not to do that. That is, not to withhold compensation until the equipment is returned. By all means, be aggressive. What do I mean by that? I mean, you can write letters, you can make phone calls, it could be demand letters, you could hire attorneys like us. There are many different things you could do, including, by the way, threatening to file a legitimate good faith police report. We've had clients with good success saying, unfortunately, we consider this property to be stolen and we are going to file a police report. And that's gotten results too. And finally, Andrew, of course, we know it's not ideal, but you could take that employee to court. You could go to small claims court, for example, but please do not withhold wages. You are just creating a wage claim against your company, which is going to, in my judgment, Andrew, make things worse, not better. So think about these alternate options, but do not withhold wages from the final paycheck in respect of property that has not been returned. So with that, thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next edition of the HR Minute by Tannenbaum Helpern.
Thank you.